Looking for backwater valve maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial it is to protect your home from costly sewer backups with reliable plumbing solutions. Our backwater valve maintenance ensures your system operates efficiently, preventing flooding and drainage issues. Whether it's routine care or emergency repairs, we've got the expertise to keep your property safe and your plumbing running smoothly. In Sherwood Park, heavy rains and seasonal changes can put extra stress on your drainage system. That's why our certified technicians provide tailored professional service designed to meet the unique needs of our local community. With decades of experience, transparent pricing, and 24/7 availability, Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for homeowners in Sherwood Park. Ready to protect your home? Call us now or book online to schedule your backwater valve maintenance, service, and repair with the experts at Kingstree Plumbing.